All right, number 5 says write a polynomial function in standard form given the following zeros. I've chosen to show you how to do the letter C just because there was that fraction in there. So if 1, 1, and 2/3 are our zeros, then our factors would be, our factors would be x minus 1, and we have that twice, so I'm going to say squared. And then on to the side, I'm going to show you if x is equal to 2/3, then to move 2/3 to the other side, what we could do is multiply each side by 3. So then I'll get 3x is equal to 2, and to move 2 to the other side, we would subtract it. So I have 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So now I know my other factor is 3x minus 2. And this way I don't have to deal with the fraction of 2/3. Yes, you could have written your factor as x minus 2/3, but that's just not much fun. So we are not going to do that. All right, so these are my factors, and now I just have to multiply it out. So the first one is one of those special cases where all I have to say is the first term squared, the last term squared, and the middle term will be the first times the middle times 2. So when I do that, x squared is x squared. First times the second times 2 is negative 2x. And the last term squared is a positive 1. And then I'm going to multiply that out with this 3x minus 2. And I'm going to distribute x squared times 3x to get 3x cubed. X squared times negative 2 to get negative 2x squared. Then I'll say negative 2x times 3x to get negative 6x squared, and negative 2x times negative 2 to get a positive 4x. And lastly, 1 times 3x to get 3x positive, and 1 times negative 2 to get negative 2. And now I'm just going to add them all together, straight down. Adding straight down, I get 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus 7x minus 2. And here is the polynomial function in standard form given the roots. If you hold tight, I will show you the answers to A, B, and D. All right, there you go. All the answers are written in blue for you. So check them out and continue studying. We got a test tomorrow.